So let's go over some of those vocab words from the video. So a circle is the set of all points that are equidistant from another single point. So remember, equidistant, think about equal, and then we see the word distance. So they are equal distance from another single point. And that single point is the center there. And so all these others are the same distance from the center of the circle there. Now a radius, that is the distance from the center of a circle to any other point on the circle. So anywhere in blue here, we could draw a line from the center to the outside of that circle, and that would be a radius. So we have infinitely many radii that make up a circle. So you can see I have it labeled as R there. Now the diameter, that is the distance across the circle. I want you to specify that it has to go through the center. It cannot just cut anywhere across the circle. It has to go through the center of the circle. And it is also 2 times the radius. So 2 radii that are right across from each other make a diameter. The circumference is the perimeter of a circle. In other words, that's the distance around the circle. So if you were to measure the outside of the circle, if we took a measuring tape, that would tell us the circumference, the distance around. Now what we're going to do in this example is name the circle, a radius, and a diameter of the circle. The way that we name a circle is we look at the center. So this one right here is called circle X. That would be the name of it because the center of our circle is right here at point X. Now for a radius, remember that that is the distance from the center of a circle to any other point on the circle. So here's the center. So we can see there we have a radius. We have a radius here, here, and here. So we actually have 4 different radii of our circle. So that would be line segment XV. And the way we signify that is we're going to put a line above it with no arrows that shows that it's a segment. So we have XV, then we have XT, line segment. We also have line segment XU, and we also have line segment XZ. Now, whenever we name a line segment, we can go from the outside in or from the center of the circle out. It doesn't matter which way you name it. So we could also name it VX, TX, UX, or ZX. Those are also the same. All right, now we want to look for a diameter. So remember that a diameter, it is the distance across the circle through the center. So we can see we only have 1 diameter of the circle, and that diameter is segment ZT, or you could call it segment TZ by just flipping those letters around. This needs to go into your vocab section of your notebook.